The Pi network is a fairly unusual case in the realm of digital currencies. It has earned a considerable amount of consideration and premium, but then you can't get it anyplace. The Pi coin has not been recorded on any crypto or non-crypto trade yet, and the best way to get it, basically for the present, is to mine it. Notwithstanding not having a cost at this point, the Pi coin has a ton of committed fans. The task's basic reason and strong specialized establishment have previously drawn in a significant number crypto aficionados. The Pi network has a functioning local area, and its client base continues to become dramatically step by step. Presently, the primary inquiry remains: will the Pi coin at any point arrive at trades and offer its holders a chance to cash out? What's more, assuming that occurs, what sort of cost could clients at any point hope to get for their newly mined Pi crypto? The Pi network project is very novel. Not just has Pi ascended to acclaim while not in any event being recorded at this point, however, it additionally is notable for being somewhat simple to mine. As indicated by its designers, the Pi coin is the principal digital currency that can be mined totally on one's cell phone. One simply has to download the Pi network application and get a greeting code from one of the current confided-in individuals. To begin procuring the Pi digital currency, open the application once at regular intervals and snap on the lightning button to begin mining. There are different ways of speeding up. Prior individuals get higher rates, and you can welcome confided-in loved ones to join the Pi application for a little reward. Moreover, following 3 days of mining, you can fabricate your security circle to help your income, as well as the general security of the Pi organization. 1. Each dynamic excavator you allude to the application will support your profit by 25%. 2. After 3 days of mining, you will actually want to turn into a contributor by welcoming 3 to 5 individuals to join your believed circle, which will speed up much further. The Pi application doesn't deplete your energy the same way numerous other mining applications do and is very eco-accommodating. It benefits from individuals vouching for one another as they help to get its record. The Pi network isn't simply a mining application. The task has become an entire biological system of related administrations. There's a test variant of the Pi wallet with its unimaginable installment speed of only 8 seconds. There's additionally the Pi program application, which permits designers to test and send off decentralized outsider Pi applications. Clients can likewise pick to turn into a Pi hub. In any case, it includes a somewhat extensive choice cycle and gives no advantages at this point. Pi hubs approve exchanges, so when the open mainnet is sent off and the Pi coin is recorded on trades, Pi hub proprietors will actually want to get a cut of exchange charges. On the off chance that you put stock in this task and its future, it very well may be really smart to get your own hub. Kindly note that running a Pi hub requires utilizing power. As of late, the quantity of dynamic Pi hubs has surpassed 12,000. Every individual can have one Pi account, and 25% of all Pi coins have been dispensed to the Pi Center group. The task has as of late sent off a shut mainnet, meaning just individuals inside the Pi environment can at present involve Pi for exchanging, purchasing, and selling until further notice. To purchase or exchange Pi coins, one necessitates to pass the kick check first, the choice for which is arbitrary. The Pi network group is wanting to have a mass kick confirmation soon and anticipates that its clients should be finished with it toward the finish of March 2022. Pi network price today. The Pi coin's ongoing cost is $0, as it has not been recorded on any digital currency trades yet. While Pi network isn't accessible for procurement, we suggest perusing the video about cryptos that will detonate in 2022. Pi network price prediction for 2022 by experts. Since this digital money's future is so eccentric, numerous specialists are extremely moderate in their Pi network cost expectations. The Pi coin neither has a cost history for us to dissect, nor has it shown how it answers the value developments of the crypto market and Bitcoin. There's no market cap or all-time high for us to use in our cost forecasts, by the same token. All in all, what's left? Indeed, for a situation like this, most specialists must choose the option to go to unadulterated theory. We couldn't complete an undeniable basic investigation. To determine the genuine worth of any contingent upon the resource, a portion of these elements will assume a greater part in deciding the resource's cost than the others. For Pi's situation, it's basically impossible to decide the genuine number of clients that will hold the coin once it goes live. Pi coin price prediction 2022 to 2027. At present, it appears to be reasonable that the Pi organization will begin getting recorded on trades in the last part of 2022. On the off chance that that truly does without a doubt occur, we will at last see the cost of the Pi coin transcend $0. Interestingly, generally, when such a popular and notable undertaking becomes recorded, its cost skyrockets in the initial not many days or weeks. As individuals hurry to get involved with the new conceivable enormous thing, the popularity will push the market cap and the pious team up. Notwithstanding, such cost energizes seldom keep going long. As a rule, the cryptographic money crashes a couple of days after the underlying mooning because of individuals attempting to offer off their coins to create a speedy gain. The inquiry is, will the equivalent happen to the Pi coin? In our Pi network cost forecast, we investigated both Pi's assets and shortcomings and the value history of cryptographic forms of money with comparative use cases. Furthermore, we likewise needed to consider what will happen to the crypto market from now on and how Pi could squeeze into the crypto circle before very long. If it's not too much trouble, note that this is all unadulterated theory. We've made this Pi network cost expectation in light of the presumption that the cryptographic money will send off an open mainnet in June 2022 according to plan. Pi coin price prediction 2022. As per our supposition that Pi's cost will pursue the very directions that numerous other altcoins do, this digital money will have a convention in the last part of 2022. On the off chance that the open mainnet is sent off according to plan, we could see the Pi coin being recorded on trades in July 2022. Pi coin price prediction 2023. 2023 may be the year that the crypto business bounce back and recuperates from the ongoing bear market. The Pi coin is probably going to follow any market blasts that happen, so 2023 could see its value ascending to new all-time highs. Moreover, the general promotion for crypto can extraordinarily help the Pi digital currency. It is amateur amicable, allowed to mine, and is associated with the Pi number. Assuming the publicity happens in late winter of 2023, its group can publicize really on Pi Day. Another thing to note while making any future Pi coin value forecast is that it tends to be very rewarding for organizations to put resources into and embrace. For instance, it fits the rules Elon Musk has set for a digital currency that might possibly turn into an installment medium in Tesla. Our cost expectation for 2024 is that the Pi crypto will keep on rising. As we have referenced already, any kind of promotion in the crypto local area can incredibly help this advanced cash, supporting its cost. On the off chance that the market doesn't recuperate and remains at a similar level it is currently, we don't see Pi turning out to be unbelievably beneficial, however it can in any case be a wise venture. All things considered, in the event that you procured it for $0, any value the Pi crypto arrives voluntarily give you a benefit. Pi coin price prediction 2025. What will Pi be worth in 2025? In the event that all works out as expected, the digital currency will probably remain generally at a similar cost level for some time, similarly as numerous altcoins do. Under this situation, Pi will possibly rise when the market is blasting or when it gets siphoned by the local area or the devs. Obviously, if it gets seen by a big name or a major business, Pi's cost could rise dramatically, possibly in any event, going more than the $1. That, at the ongoing assessed flowing inventory of 40M, which will just increment with time, would put its market cap generally at a similar number as the ongoing business sector capitalization of XRP. The Pi network is an extremely fascinating task that has shown a great deal of guarantee. It has a committed local area, an enthusiastic dev group behind it, and a strong specialized establishment, every one of the markings of a promising digital money. Toward the day's end, in the event that you trust the venture not to release your information, it won't damage to mine Pi coins as an afterthought. All things considered, it's free. Who knows, perhaps it will get taken on by Tesla and turned into the following